Alright, this is what it looks like during a dust storm. See it? Terrible. Here's my house as I'm walking away from it. You see how it's starting to disappear? Look at it down the street. Look down the street. What do you see? Nothing. This is a dust storm. That's what it looks like when you're inside a dust storm. Okay, my battery is going dead. Hi everybody. This is how you're supposed to look at a dust storm. Otherwise you're going to be breathing in all that dust. Alright, I'm going to walk back towards the house and see if how long this will last before the battery goes dead. Alright, bye. Alright. More dust storm. Groovy stuff, huh? Look at that mess. The trees covered in dust. Some good stuff. Alright, bye-bye.